Hi guys, welcome again. Today I'm going to make some fans out of wafer paper and I'm going to color them. So like this. So for that I need, let's see the material. I need a wafer paper. So I need a bamboo stick. This goes into the cake. And then I'm going to color it gold. So this is my favorite. I need my brush. Then I need the corn syrup for sticking, and then the most important one is my steamer. You can see the steam coming through. Let me put it a little higher. Yeah, you can see the steam coming. Yeah, so I'll just push it a little back. Let's see. Yeah, and let that a little height. Yeah, you can see the steam coming. So let me push it a little higher. Yeah. And then the steam coming. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to first uh, steam the paper. To make it soft and very easily malleable also. Now you can use either side. You can use the rough side. You can use the. Let me just cut it off. Then I'll talk. Yeah. So you can use the smooth side or you can use the rough side, whichever side you feel is good for you. And I think most of us know how to make a fan, right? For that, first thing is I'm doing this side. You have to be a little fast, or otherwise you have to steam it again. Right. So just steaming this. You can see the yes. Okay. Sorry. Yeah, don't tear it. But this also looks nice. What I'm going to do is I'm going to stick this with corn syrup. Yeah, this is just fine. I've just taken a little bit of corn syrup on my stick. There's a stone, but you can always stick it back. What I'm going to do is I'm going to stick it in between. Right, this looks good. Yeah, this looks good actually. So I can leave it, or otherwise you can cut it a little bit down. Remove it and cut the small portion out. Yes, you can cut it out. and I like cutting on the edges also. If you think you can leave it like this, it looks pretty. But if you don't want it, you can cut it off also. Yeah, I'm cutting this strip off. Okay, you have a clean cut now. Next thing is we're going to, as you can see, this is pretty like this. Next thing is we're going to color it with dust colors. You can also color it with oil color, or you can take some vegetable oil, mix your dust colors in it, and you can also color it like that. So let's do the coloring. This will take almost like 5 minutes to dry. You can see. Yeah. I cut it in on the top, so you can see. Yeah, I adjusted it. Okay, doesn't it look pretty? This goes directly as a topper on the cake. Okay, let's color with the dust colors. This is actually a magic dust color. Okay, I'm just coloring it. So I like the smooth side. I'm just going to color it. I'll just push the extra dust on in this. Okay, this is done. You can see how pretty it is as a cake topper. Okay, you want to add little more, please to add. I'm just giving it a second coat and remove the extra dust. So, what do you think of it? Okay, let me remember. I think it's very, very pretty. and this one also. Okay, let me stick this with a little bit of corn syrup. So that you won't see the gap. Yes. Right, it will stick in 2 minutes. Yeah, it's done. How do they look? Don't they look pretty? Yeah. See you then again with another technique. Bye.